We are in one of the most picturesque corners of Anglesey, an area of significant environmental and historical importance. This is the Seiriol Ward, a lesser-known part of Anglesey which contains some of the best hidden gems the island has to offer. Cwlwm Seiriol is a project funded through the National Lottery Community Fund and the Welsh Government, and its aim is to connect community and habitat. The area spans 35 miles and includes Beaumaris, Menter Môn, Llandonna, Llandecfan, Llanfaes, Llangoed and Llansadwrn. It has an abundance of natural green spaces, coastal and heathland habitats, woodlands and fertile farmland. These lands were once thriving with native flora and fauna. However, a reduction in conservation management over recent years has led to them becoming overgrown, and their biodiversity value has declined. Footpaths have become choked by vegetation and historic features obscured. In the past, much of the land was managed through grazing. This includes common land which was traditionally grazed by stock owned by tyddynwyr or commoners. Over time, this practice has declined, leading to substantial biodiversity degradation of key habitats and loss of access to the sites for local people. There is a need to improve these spaces for the benefit of current and future generations. The Cwlwm Seiriol project aims to kickstart this process and at the same time show local inhabitants how public-owned open spaces can create opportunities to improve health, well-being and economic prospects. The project will focus on the rural communities of the Seiriol Ward, where important common lands and community-owned assets are undergoing habitat degradation. Despite the abundance of natural green spaces, few of these were created for community enjoyment in the area, apart from the local nature reserves. Local nature reserves are places with wildlife or geological features that are of special interest locally. They offer people opportunities to enjoy the natural environment and to study and learn new skills. The Cwlwm Seiriol project wants to make local nature reserves more relevant to local communities by getting them involved in looking after them and to take part in various events and activities. Over the past year, quite a lot has been happening. Local people have been learning about footpath repair, scrub clearance, managing invasive species, and attending open events to raise awareness of the natural assets on their doorstep. With the necessary information, skills and equipment, the community has begun maintaining key areas and the improvement is already noticeable. It's not just the local flora and fauna that benefits from this increase in conservation activity. Taking part in outdoor activity, especially in a natural setting, has also been shown to provide significant health benefits and to improve the sense of community. The Cwlwm Seiriol project promises to offer something for everyone, with activities ranging from learning traditional green woodworking skills to guided walks and the opportunity to rediscover lost historic monuments. There is a lot of work still to be done to restore the land to its former glory. Getting local people to feel ownership and responsibility for local nature reserves is essential. As well as developing a range of community events and activities, we're looking to develop local environmental champions, and we will offer a variety of training opportunities. Follow us on social media or check our website for news of upcoming events and activities.